What do you mean by prepaid expenses?
Prepaid expenses are those expenses we will paid without the due, without
Okay.
that due.
And what is outstanding expenses?
Outstanding expenses are like all accrued expenses are like outstanding expenses.
Okay. Can you give me the journal entry will post in accrued expenses and outstanding expenses both?
Yes, sir.
What
Sir, like example of we pay interest
Mm-hmm.
after getting due.
Mm-hmm.
मतलब March we pay interest on our interest get due on March, but we paid on April.
Okay.
So interest account DR to outstanding interest account. Then after in April entry outstanding bank account DR to outstanding interest.
Okay. Second entry is not right because in the first entry you are booking the expense interest account debit to interest payable, which is your
Yes, sir.
creating a current liability. But in
Yes,
the
sir.
next month when you will pay the liability, so you have to debit the liability. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
outstanding interest account debit to bank account. It will be your second entry.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what will be my journal entry if I will collect payment from a debtor?
Bank account DR
Mhm.
to debtors account.
Okay. What is the difference between trial balance and balance sheet?
First we got to trial balance, then we will get balance sheet. Balance sheet is the final form of financial statement of final final account.
Okay, no issue. So what is deferred tax liability?
Don't know. I don't remember, but I know.
Okay. What is purchase return?
Return of goods.
Okay. What will be my
Return
journal
of
entry? Yeah. What will be my journal entry in case of purchase return?
purchase debtors account. मतलब cash या purchase return are converted into credits.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Purchase return is it on cash or credit?
Let's say it's on credit.
Credit. Then we say मतलब पार्टी नेम अकाउंट दिया या क्रेडिटर अकाउंट दिया टू परचेज रिटर्न.
Okay. Okay. And do you know what is intangible assets?
Yes, sir.
What are those?
Intangible assets like goodwill,
Mm-hmm.
patent, copyright.
Okay. So how do we charge depreciation on intangible assets?
I don't know, sir.
No, it was a tricky question. We don't charge depreciation on intangible
Yes,
assets.
yes,
We
sir.
charge amortization,
Monetization.
right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do you know what is impairment of assets?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Impairment of impairment of assets is drastic downfall in the fair value of the assets below its recorded cost.
Okay. And what is the difference between impairment and depreciation?
Depreciation is used for depreciation is like you use down value of assets for the usage of assets, and depreciation and impairment of assets is a drastic downfall in value of assets.
Okay. Can you
Like
name?
for
Okay,
yes,
you
sir.
want to continue? Yeah, please tell me.
Like example, first we purchase a bike,
Mm-hmm.
then bike got accidented, then we sold the bike, then we value all at low, very low. That's
Okay.
example of impairment of assets.
Okay. Can you give me example of three accounting concepts?
Uh, Accounting concept,
Yes.
sir, like real account, nominal account.
No. Like going concern, accounting concepts, accounting principle. Okay, leave it. Do you know what is going concern?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is matching principle?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is separate legal entity concept? Okay, no issues. Okay. So I think I'm good. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Please
please
tell
tell me.
my feedback.
Okay, so if I honestly share the feedback with you, you need to improve a lot, starting from your communication skills. So as you already mentioned that you are working on it, so keep working on your communication skills because you need to work very hard if you want to join MNC. And apart from your communication skills, you need to work on your domain knowledge as well. So your journal entries was not correct, most of them, and you were not able to answer the questions properly. Maybe because that was because of English. If I'll ask you same question in Hindi, maybe you will be able to answer them. But because in the MNC, the interview will happen in English. So you need to
Yes,
practice
sir.
answering in English only. So based on that,
Okay, sir.
currently you need to work on communication, your domain expertise, and your journal entries in all the three areas. Okay. So what you can do is you can watch my record to report playlist if you want to use the free resources, or you can go to my website corporatewala.in, and from there you can take the 3 days interview preparation batch for record to report preparation and the journal entry ebook. These two resources should help you in preparation of your interview.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I hope you will take the feedback, work on your skills, and again come back for another mock interview, and then we can see your progress.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time. See you again, sir.